Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, which of the following lake is known as floating lake of India? A. Chilikar Lake, B. Pushkar Lake, C. Loktak Lake, D. Vimbanad Lake. The correct answer is option C. Loktak Lake. Next question, Indian's Constitution Assembly adopted national flag on A. 26 July 1947, B. 22nd July 1947, C. 15th August 1947, D. 26 January 1950. The correct answer is option B. 22nd July 1947. Next question. The Chief Election Commissioner of India are appointed by whom? A. Governor, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Chief Justice of India. The correct answer is option C. President. Next question. Who published the magazine Harijan? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. B.R. Ambedkar. The correct answer is option A. Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. The Shabarimala temple is located in which state of India? A. Haryana, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. The correct answer is option D. Kerala. Next question. Part 3 of Indian Constitution is related to A. Citizenship, B. Election Commission, C. Fundamental duties, D. Fundamental right. The correct answer is option D. Fundamental right. Next question. Harappa, the important Indus Valley civilization situated on the bank of which river? A. Indus, B. Ganga, C. Ravi, D. Satluj. The correct answer is option C. Ravi. Next question. In which of the following movement did Gandhiji call for do or die? A. Civil disobedient movement, B. Non-cooperation movement, C. Quick India movement, D. Salt Satyagraha. The correct answer is option C. Quick India movement. Next question. Where did Portuguese first arrived in India? A. Cochin, B. Calicut, C. Goa, D. Machilipatnam. The correct answer is option B. Calicut. Next question. In which year did Lord Curzon announce the partition of Bengal? A. 1933, B. 1905, C. 1909, D. 1985. The correct answer is option B. 1905. Next question. The word fraternity in India Constitution means A. The spirit of brotherhood, B. The spirit of diplomacy, C. The spirit of friendship, D. Feeling of begin neighbor. The correct answer is option A. The spirit of brotherhood. Next question. Which of the following is the longest mountain range in the world? A. Himalaya, B. Andes, C. Alps, D. Urals. The correct answer is option B. Andes. Next question. Where is the Forest Research Institute is located? A. Mumbai, B. Bengaluru, C. Patna, D. Dehradun. The correct answer is option D. Dehradun. Next question. Who known as Iron Man of India? A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is option D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question. The word socialist is added to the Indian Constitution in A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1976, D. 1951. The correct answer is option C. 1976. Next question. Which schedule of Indian Constitution is related to anti-defection law? A. 8th schedule, B. 9th schedule, C. 10th schedule, D. 10th schedule. The correct answer is option C. 10th schedule. Next question. Which of the following substance changes blue litmus to red? A. Salt, B. Acid, C. Alkali, D. Alkana. The correct answer is option B. Acid. Next question. Census of India is begun regularly held in every A. 20 years, B. 15 years, C. 10 years, D. 5 years. The correct answer is option C. 10 years. Next question. How many fundamental duties are there in Indian Constitution? A. 12 duties, B. 11 duties, C. 15 duties, D. 22 duties. The correct answer is option B. 11 duties. Last question. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? A. Swami Vivekananda, B. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, C. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, D. Swami Shankaracharya. The correct answer is option C. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.